Hello, I'm Gary Hainke, owner of Risk Reduction Technologies, and welcome to our presentation on our Hmpa oil exploration technology. In 2008, we developed our own oil exploration technology called Hmpa, which stands for Hydrocarbon Modulated Pulse Analysis. Hmpa, simply put, is the study of electrical fields at the surface of the Earth, where we capture and analyze specific electrical anomalies that we have discovered can be indicators of commercial hydrocarbons at depth. Hmpa is not a structural tool, but rather simply identifies hydrocarbon accumulations at depth without regard to the trapping mechanism that caused them to accumulate there. From 2008 to 2016, over 60 improvements were made to both our hardware and software, and in 2016, over 70% of locations drilled on our technology yielded commercial wells. By 2016, we realized we had isolated one very important electrical signal. So early in 2017, we set out to build the best system possible to capture this signal and then fully break down its genetics to get the most information possible from each Hmpa test point. To accomplish this, we hired an engineering firm to write special code so that we could develop our own proprietary software for capturing and analyzing the Hmpa signal, rather than using third-party components as we did in our initial designs. The code was written on a LabVIEW platform, and the finished product has drastically increased the quality and quantity of information we get from each sample point. The slide shows the complexity of our system. Hmpa is an innovative new technology developed over time with exhaustive testing and improvements. Hmpa finds oil that 3D seismic and other conventional methods has missed, and this is where the final frontier of oil exploration resides, in the state of Kansas. Studies can be completed rapidly and economically, and it's a tried and tested technology with over 70% of locations yielding commercial wells. With oil prices likely to trade between $30 and $60 a barrel in coming years, we can no longer rely on 10-barrel infield wells to sustain profitability. The beauty of the Hmpa technology is that it locates oil at depth without regard to the trapping mechanism that caused it to accumulate there, be it stratigraphic or structural. This allows our technology to locate those virgin reserves that can return good profits even under these market conditions. Certain sands and stratigraphic features that have evaded discovery by 3D seismic hold the remaining robust oil reserves in the state of Kansas. These are the features that will make money even at $20 a barrel, and while seismic has missed them, Hmpa can find them. Some of you may be using satellite technology, radiometrics, soil gas studies, and other technologies that do occasionally work. However, since these technologies key on microseepage of hydrocarbons at the surface of the Earth, these methods can be riddled with false positives when the migrating gases travel laterally as they come up, or when the gases are related to some other source, such as shallow methane, rather than an oil reservoir at depth. Hmpa is different than other technologies as it studies an electrical signal at reservoir depth directly underneath a narrow field sensor that we use. Because this is an electrical technology, it is not afflicted by the same problems microseepage related technologies encounter. HMPA studies are very economical. Field data can be gathered from a specially equipped non-invasive vehicle, often taking less than only a day to acquire. Color contour maps representing the results of the study are delivered in a matter of only a few days. Thank you for watching our presentation on hydrocarbon modulated pulse analysis. And as always, good luck out there in the oil fields.